Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an attractive logo just in few seconds. That also without logging to any portal, just to visit the portal. The portal name is brandmark.io. So this portal you have to open. Here tap on create my logo. Then at first box will write your company name. Just I am writing my channel name. And here if you have any slogan, and it is optional, just it be learn something new. Then next, after that keyword that define your company, as I am related to programming, coding, computer, teaching, education, so I am writing these keywords. So whatever you are related, you can write that keyword. Then next, and here color style you can choose whatever color you want. Let it be high contrast. Then create logo. It will take few seconds to generate the logo. So here my logos are present. Here icon or text style we can change it. So whatever you like, you can choose from here and you can modify it according to your need. As there are so many logos, let's see which one will be good one for my requirements. Suppose I like this one. Then tap on here. Then if you want to modify, tap on edit, and if you don't want to modify, directly preview. I want to modify it, so edit. Here you can adjust font size, color and all. And for name, here for slogan, and here for icon even you can change. You can tap on the icon button, and here you can search for different icons. Suppose I want coding icons, so I'm writing here code. Here different type of coding icons you will get. Whatever you like, you can choose it. Suppose I'm selecting command Linux command line, that one. So now my icon changed. And here back color if you want, and as I want it for my video, so I want it transparent. So for that reason I will not select any color. Now I'll go back. So this is my icon. Now you see here purchase option is there, means after creating logo you have to buy the logo. $25 for one time, just means download one logo. $65, that is also for one time. Then $175, that also one time, but for enterprises. Now as we are small creators, we don't have that money, so how we can use it without paying them? For that we have one option. We'll tap on preview. So preview will appear here. It will take some time to load completely. Then we can zoom the logo. After that we'll take a screenshot. Then we will resize the screenshot according to our need. Then save. Now again in search engine we will search background remover. Here different type of background removers will be there. We can use anyone here. Suppose I am using this one, removal.ai. Choose a photo. I am selecting this photo which I generated recently. This one. After that, I'll tap on download. Here also, if you want to download in HD quality, means above 1080, then you have to pay, and below that it is free to download. As I am going to use it as a watermark, so I no need in HD. Simple quality will do for me. Now how you will use it? Suppose I am going to use in video editor in InShot. So we'll open InShot first. Then the video. As I have this one video. Now here I want to set my logo as watermark. For that, first we'll tap on pip function. There we'll select the logo. This one we can adjust the size according to our need, and we will drag it and put wherever we required. Then tap on tick sign. And if you want to increase the timeline, for that again you have to go to pip function, then tap on the logo, tap on the arrow mark till clip end or video end. Now you see this logo is appeared throughout the video. So this way you can create beautiful logo in just few seconds, that also without paying. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.